I have also my Flamingo t-shirt on. Donut looks amazing! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together a new eyeshadow palette by Violet Voss, and this is the Flamingo palette. It contains 20 eyeshadows and we get 36 grams of product. I got mine from the Sephora.com website and the price of it is $45. The Flamingo palette offers a luxurious variety of tropical hues with complementary staple shades. Use it to complete any look with shimmering toppers in glistening pinks and airy bronzes. With richly pigmented, easy to blend hues, you will have endless possibilities to create looks fit for paradise. This palette is formulated without any parabens, sulfates and phthalates. This is a cardboard packaging with a magnetic closure and it has a very fun and creative design. We also get a very good quality and clear mirror. I like that. It feels very well made and also very sturdy. You don't feel that it will happen anything to the palette if you travel with it. And we also get a plastic layer that protects the eyeshadows when you're traveling. I will also do swatches for all of the eyeshadows and also a very fun, colorful summer eye look with some glitter and maybe some lashes. We will see. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. I have also my Flamingo t-shirt on, so let's start with the swatches. Donut looks amazing! We have names for all of the eyeshadows and I like that, and also the names of the eyeshadows are printed on the packaging, which I also like. Thumbs up! These are the swatches for the first row. The first eyeshadow is Flamingos and it is a deep coral matte eyeshadow. The next one is Donut and it is a very nice shimmery pink eyeshadow. The next eyeshadow is Flip Flops and the names are adorable, guys. And this one is a shimmery light bronzy color with very fine silvery and lilac micro glitter. This one is described on the Sephora website like an eyeshadow topper, so we will see how it works on the eyes. And the next one is a very beautiful lilac shimmery eyeshadow and it is called Bikini. Let me know what color is your bikini or your swimsuit. Mine has a lot of different colors and actually it has also a skull. I love it. This is the first time that I swatch a pastel eyeshadow and it looks so opaque, guys. Incredible. So this is the second row. The first eyeshadow is a matte pastel light blue eyeshadow that it is very opaque, guys. I was very impressed with this eyeshadow and it is called Ocean Front. The next one is called Tidal Wave and it is this glorious foil eyeshadow. It is a blue-green shimmery eyeshadow, so intense, so beautiful. This is mesmerizing. Woohoo! The next eyeshadow is called Beach Ball and it is a teal matte eyeshadow. And the next one is called Watermelon. This one has a different finish. It is a matte eyeshadow with very fine micro glitter in it. The micro glitter are not a lot and it is a pink corally shade. I have noticed that some of the eyeshadows are staining my fingers and that scares me a little bit. So this is the third row and we have 3 matte eyeshadows. The first one is called Lemonade. It is a light yellow matte eyeshadow. The next one is called Pineapple and it is a bright yellow shimmery eyeshadow that looks very bright. It has a foil finish. The next one is called Popsicle and it is an orange eyeshadow with a matte finish. The next one is Sunbathe and it is very similar with Popsicle. As you can see, this one in the pan, it is a more deep tan crease color. This is the fourth row and we have some different finishes. This eyeshadow is called Surf and it is duochrome. It is a light blue eyeshadow with a yellow-green sheen to it. The next eyeshadow is called Coral and it has a corally color. Oh, that was difficult to say. This one has a very light satin finish. It's not matte. The next one is Island and it is a bronzy orange foil eyeshadow. And the next one is called Sand and it is a creamy matte eyeshadow. Woohoo! Look at this sheen! This is the fifth row and the first one is a light pink shimmery eyeshadow. This is also described on the website like an eyeshadow topper and it also contains some very fine micro glitter and it is very shimmery. This is called Seashell and the next one is called Pinwheel and this one is a red bronze foil eyeshadow and it also has a very light orange sheen. The next one is called Sandals and it is a deep red brown matte eyeshadow and the next one is called Sunnies and it is a very dark black matte eyeshadow. Very weird name for a black eyeshadow. Sunnies? Finally, let's start with the eye look. I'm very excited to use this palette. It has so many beautiful colors and I want to eat them. They are so beautiful. So I will take eyeshadow lemonade with an eye blender brush by Essence and I'm going to apply it into my crease and I want to see how this will look. I think I didn't apply a lot of product on my brush. I will take some more and this eyeshadow doesn't have kickback. I can see that it is a little bit more yellowy, this eye. Okay, as a crease color, I can say that it works because it is not something very overwhelming. So you need about 3 layers of this color to make it look more visible into your skin. I will take a small smudging brush by Essence and I will take eyeshadow Sand and I will apply it for my brow bone highlighter. This is a very light color. I don't like matte eyeshadows on my brow bone, but I wanted to see how this looks. And it blends very nice and it looks natural. I apply it exactly on the arch of my brow and also blend it. Also, let me know what other eye looks you would like to see with this palette. Let me know in the comments below. With a double-ended brush by Essence, I take eyeshadow Flamingos and I apply it into my crease closer to my eyelid. This one has a little bit of kickback in the pan, but not something very intense. And I apply it first on my outer corner. This blends very nice and I will also bring it into my inner corner because I want to do a cut crease today. This brush is not symmetrical and it makes the blending a little bit difficult. This eyeshadow is not as intense as it looks in the pan. To make it look like this, you need about 4 to 5 layers, especially if you don't know how to use colorful eyeshadows. This one is not very overwhelming because you can build it and also it blends very easy. I will cut my crease with the brush 51 by Kiko Cosmetics and I will also use a concealer Stay All Day 16-hour long-lasting concealer by Essence. I will apply some concealer on the back of my hand. After that, I will take the product with my brush and be sure that you have a lot of concealer on your brush. Cut the crease! When I cut my crease, I always have my eyes open because my skin here is folding. I have hooded eyes and I want my cut crease to be visible. I will cut it somewhere here. I clean my brush on a tissue and I blend the edges. Touch a little bit your brush and after that tilt your head back and try to create your cut crease and also apply it on the eyelid. I stop applying concealer somewhere in the 2/3 of my eyelid and then with no additional product I blend the edges. And don't worry if you have made any mistakes with your cut crease, we can correct it with an angle brush and some eyeshadow. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I will apply eyeshadow Pineapple on my eyelid. That's intense! That looks so beautiful! I don't have any kickback in my palette and also no fallouts. And before you apply the eyeshadow, just blend your concealer if it has already creased. And I press my brush because I want this eyeshadow to be very intense. I clean my brush on a tissue and I will take eyeshadow surf and I will apply it on the outer third of my eyelid. Also blend the edges. These two eyeshadows look fantastic together. I will also apply some with my little finger. This eyeshadow is more intense when you apply it with your finger, and also it blends easier into your skin because it has a creamy formula. With an angled brush by BH Cosmetics, this is number 10, I will take again eyeshadow Flamingo. I will try to make my cut crease line a little bit crispier and also correct any mistakes that I have done. I will also take my smudging brush to blend a little bit the edges. With a smudging brush by Essence, I am taking eyeshadow Beach Ball and I will apply it all over my lower lash line. And also blend the edge into the outer corner. With a double-ended brush by Essence, I will take the smaller side and I will take eyeshadow Sunbathe and I will only apply it in the outer corner to just define my eye shape a little bit more. I think I don't like the color. I will use eyeshadow Sandal. And I will also blend it a little bit into my cut crease. So we have a natural grade of colors. And I also blend it into my outer eyelid. I clean my smudging brush on a tissue and I will take again the eyeshadow Lemonade and I will blend my lower lash line. And very, very lightly I blend. I almost don't touch my skin so I can prevent any premature final lines. I will also blend a little bit of Lemonade into my brow bone with my eye blended brush. With the same smudging brush, I will take eyeshadow Pineapple and I will apply it into the inner corner and a little bit in my lower lash line. I will also use some glitter eyeliner in my inner cut crease. I will use this one by Kiko Cosmetics. This is number 1. Does it look so pretty? For eyeliner, I will use liquid liner by Catrice Cosmetics in Dating Joe Black. For mascara, I will use Falsies Express Mascara by Maybelline, and for some reason they renovated the packaging of my favorite mascara, and also it is €1.50 more expensive now. Why? Now it is €9.95. It was €8.45. Why? I hope they didn't change the formula. I think the applicator is the same, so let's see. This is how my lashes look with mascara and no mascara. For my lips, I will use this lipstick by Kiko Milano in number 4, and it is a bright orange color that it will look amazing with my eyeshadow on my crease. Fantastic. Let me know what other eye looks you would like to see with this palette, and also let me know if this is a palette that you would like to get or if you don't like colorful makeup looks. I am also testing the Hello Happy Foundation today by Benefit, and I will post this video in the following days. For today's makeup look, I have used 8 eyeshadows out of 20, and the eyeshadows were very buildable and blendable. I was able to build the intensity of the eyeshadows, and also I am very impressed that I have no fallouts on my under eye area. And these are very bright and colorful eyeshadows. Also, I didn't have a lot of kickback in the palette, which I also like. That means that I will not lose a lot of product. Until now, I like this palette a lot. This is a very beautiful beautiful palette. I like the color selection of the palette. I like that we have a black matte eyeshadow, also a creamy vanilla matte eyeshadow, so many colorful eyeshadows in shimmery and matte finish, and also I like that we have some hidden gems that you can create with them very natural makeup looks, like eyeshadow sunbathe that it is a matte crease color. I hope that you liked this makeup look. For me it was very fun to create it, and I always like testing new eyeshadow palettes, as you have noticed. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below what other products you would like me to test, or if you have another new favorite product, just let me know. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!